Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to talk about the importance of implementing lifecycle management in IT operations. Lifecycle management is a critical aspect of IT operations that involves managing the entire lifecycle of IT assets from acquisition to disposal. By implementing effective lifecycle management practices, organizations can reduce their environmental impact and improve efficiency in their IT operations. So let's say you are working as a IT administrator. Okay, now you are planning to purchase some hardware components. It could be laptops or desktops or servers or phones or whatever it is. So you can you can whenever you acquire or whenever you buy those devices, you can make a note of it in Excel sheet or some other place, and you should also mention when you are deploying those components. So you need to mention all the details, like when did you purchase and when did you deploy it, and for how long did you manage those components in your IT infrastructure. And when it is time to dispose it, when it becomes really old and when it is out of date, you need to dispose those components. And you need to follow a plan. You need to come up with a plan again to acquire new products. So if you follow this plan, if you follow this life cycle, it will be very useful for you to track all the devices, and it will be really helpful to reduce the environmental impact, and it will also help to improve the efficiency in your IT operation. So it is really important to track all the components that you are purchasing in your company. Developing a life cycle management plan. Developing a life cycle management plan involves identifying the different stages of IT assets life cycle, including acquisition, deployment, maintenance, and disposal. This plan should outline the process and procedures for each stage as well as the responsibilities of different stakeholders. So like I have just explained, it is really important to track each and every phase of the component in your IT infrastructure. So this plan should outline the processes and procedures for each stage. Okay, for each and every stage you should mention all these things. Now, ensuring responsible recycling and disposal practices. Ensuring responsible recycling and disposal practices is an important aspect of life cycle management. This involves identifying the appropriate methods for disposing of IT assets such as recycling or proper disposal, and ensuring that these practices are followed throughout the entire life cycle of the asset. So whenever you come up with this plan, it is really important to implement it in the end. Okay, it is really important to implement it. So we need to ensure that all appropriate methods for disposing the IT assets, such as it could be recycling or it could be proper disposal of the IT assets. So these methods will be really helpful for you know for keeping the IT environments running in a sustainable manner. Okay, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.